Hi everyone, welcome to kiiff.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a favicon for your website. Just so we all are on the same page, the favicon is the icon that shows up here in your browser. That is essentially the logo for your website, among other tabs. So we'll be using Adobe Photoshop, and we'll be creating a favicon off of the kiiff logo. We have the kiiff logo in JPEG format, and that's how we will be creating the favicon. So the first thing to do is to unlock the background and create layer 0. And we want to use the magic wand tool to select the background and press delete to get rid of the background. Now we want to get rid of the rest of the logo and leave just the icon that we want to make the favicon out of. Now we want to select the background again and right click, select inverse. So what we have done is now just highlighted the icon part. We'll go over here to the crop image and bring this in. And what I try to do is just make as close to a square as I can. So somewhere around here looks pretty close to a square, and we'll verify the height here. So the height is about 2.03. So we'll try to make the width about 2.03. All right, we can go back to the selection tool and crop the image. So we're getting pretty close to the favicon that we want. For those of you who don't know, the favicon is preferably uploaded in a 512 by 512 pixel size. So we can check on how we're doing with that with the canvas size and go to pixels, and we see that we are at 609 by 611. So instead of changing the canvas size, which would crop out some parts of our icon, we can just use the change the image size and to 512 by 512, and this is why you want to try to crop it to as much of a square as possible, because it will make this process much easier. All right, so this is our icon here, 512 by 512. We can verify on the canvas side, 512 by 512. We have it saved, or we can save it as a .jpeg. However, if you save it as a .jpeg, it will put a white background over it. So for this case, we want to save it as a .png. And then we have some websites that require a .ico file. And I will put a link in the description for a website that you can convert a .png or .jpeg into a .ico file. All right, that's how to make a favicon for your website. Thank you for watching.